Magandang araw! Welcome to another episode of Know Your Gear. Today, we are exploring another unit. Excited na ba kayo? Tara, samahan niyo ako. So today guys, I'm with Engineer Bon again. For sure, madami tayong matutunan ngayon kay Engineer Bon. So sir, kamusta ka naman?
Okay pa rin, ma'am.
So sir, pwede mo bang sabihin sa amin kung anong unit ito ngayon?
Ito ang aming Sany SY330H na crawler excavator.
So sir, what are the specs of this unit pa?
So ito ang aming SY330H na crawler excavator. Meron itong 6-cylinder Isuzu engine na electronic. Kaya nitong magbigay ng 212 kilowatt na power. At saka meron din itong 11 meter na reach. Kaya pwedeng-pwede ito sa maraming environment. At saka, ang hydraulics nito ay napakalakas. Kaya nitong magbigay ng 204 kilonewtons na bucket force.
So sir, saan ba ito usually ginagamit?
Ang ganitong uri ng excavator is usually para sa mining or quarry kasi mas mataas yung timbang niya sa regular na excavators.
So ano naman ang size ng bucket nito sir?
Malapit yung nakalimutan. Ang SY330H ay kayang magbungkal ng 1.65 cubic meter na materyales hanggang 2 cubic meter ng materyales.
So there you have it guys, the SY330H, a hydraulic excavator. So sir, ano masabi mo ngayon sa ating mga viewers?
Kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng superior heavy machines for your work, please contact Premier Heavy Equipment or visit our website or contact our agents.
So guys, don't forget to contact Premier Heavy Equipment or your local dealer today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.